whispers glide in the midnight air, a hush of wings in a world so rare. Fingers dance on keys of time, the ethereal echoes a silent chime.
Golden light paints the evening's glow. Soft waves carry the world below. Each note lands where dreams reside, flowing calm like oceans collide. Through the haze of drifting sound, lost yet found, where stars are crowned. Warmth that wraps the soul in flight, a lullaby beneath the night.
Clouds dissolve in a cosmic stream, particles of a waking dream. Piano sighs through the gilded mist. Each chord feels like a soft kiss twist.
Distant choirs call from afar, bridging worlds where we are. Melody threads the unseen line, a tranquil pulse, a spark divine. Through the haze of drifting sound, lost yet found, where stars are crowned. Warmth that wraps the soul in flight, a lullaby beneath the night.
The breeze hums soft through twilight's door. Whispers dance on clouds we explore. A glowing sky that sheds no tears. In hushed embrace dissolves our fears. Floating high where time stands still, echoes rise beyond the hill. A sea of light where dreams ignite, guided home by gentle sight. The stars don't speak, they simply gaze, filling nights with endless haze. Threads of gold, their stories weave, while we drift and softly breathe. Weightless thoughts like autumn leaves, falling slow from ancient trees. A melody the earth still keeps in endless rhythm. I float where no hands hold. The air is soft but bold. Light leaks between the seams, carrying me into dreams.
Clouds whisper ancient tones, stories carved in drifting stones. Shadows stretch, dissolve to light. Echoes hum through endless night.
The world turns a subtle glow. In the quiet, I let it flow. Lost in whispers, lost in
fragile dreams. Time slows down, its tempo bends, a loop that neither breaks nor ends. Heartbeats echo in the mist, each note a touch, a phantom kiss. The warm glow dances serene and right, guiding us through endless light. Every shadow holds a glow, a secret language few will know. Warmth of voices, angelic flight, falling into endless night. Close your eyes, let go. Unwind. Feel the winds, the gentle bind. A current leads where we belong, a timeless wave, a breathing. Heartbeats echo in the mist, each note a touch, a phantom kiss. The warm glow dances serene and right, guiding us through endless light.
Flowing on clouds that softly hum, where whispers meld and time is numb. Through endless skies the stars align, a quiet world beyond the line. Hands of light trace unseen streams, a tapestry of woven dreams, where shadows glow in gentle hue. The silent echoes fade anew, lost in the glow of a timeless sea. Waves of warmth wrapping endlessly, a song unspoken drifts so near, a melody only the soul can hear and hear.
In the stillness, whispers play, lost in hues of soft decay. Through the shadows, light will weave. Dreams dissolve, yet still believe. Floating high where stars collide, veins of gold through starlit tide. Angels hum their distant lore, soft as echoes gripping core. Gentle tides of pale light trace, sweeping chords through endless space, threading warmth through skies unbound. Murmurs echo void profound, through the haze where silence hum, timeless tones from nowhere. forever lost in waking dreams. Silk threads weave through the air so fine. Moonlight rests on the edge of time. Clouds hum low while the earth still sleeps. Secrets buried in the ocean's deep. Whispers among the stars take flight, dancing softly in the quiet of night. Hold me close as the world unwinds. Hear the pulse of ancient tides. Branches brush against the twilight's veil, breathing stories from the murmuring gale. The stillness folds like an old refrain. Echoes linger where the whispers remain. Whispers among the stars take flight, dancing softly in the quiet of night. Hold me close as the world unwinds. Hear the pulse of ancient tides. Hearts aligned with the rhythm of skies. Shadows waltz where the dreamlight lies. Every note in a cosmic symphony carries my soul to eternity. Whispers among the stars take flight, dancing softly in the quiet of night. Hold me close as the world unwinds. Hear the pulse of ancient tides. Fingers float on keys so slow, gentle tides in endless flow. Shadows stretch where moons collide. Whispers weave through the divide. Light bends softly, whispers spin. Dreams unfold where hearts begin. waves hum in endless streams, warmth that holds our fragile dreams. Angel choirs in distant haze, lingering tones in timeless maze. Feel the calm, the rivers yearn, round the darkness light return, soft as feathers on the air, falling gently light bends, softly whispers spin, dreams unfold where hearts begin, golden breaths in skies so wide, lost in echoes time can't hide. Tears dissolve into the mist, every note a fleeting kiss, let it drift where longing goes, through the quiet where it in a sky so wide, so still yet deep, whispers of dreams that the winds will keep, a tender glow where the stars do hide, the shadows dance where hearts reside. Echoes in the clouds, they call my name, soft as a whisper, never quite the same. I chase the light through the endless haze, lost in the warmth of a golden maze. The river flows, yet it makes no sound, carrying secrets the moon has found. Distant voices sing to the shifting tide, guiding the soul to where truth resides. Echoes in the clouds, they call my name, soft as a whisper, never quite the same. I chase the light through the endless haze, lost in the warmth of a golden maze. Time melts away like morning's frost, in the space between asleep and lost. Angels hum through velvet skies, every note a tear the spirit cries. Echoes in the clouds, they call my name, soft as a whisper, never quite the same. I whispers float where time is slow, shadowed paths where dreams will grow, silent steps through velvet air, lost in moments beyond despair. The echoes call through the haze, softly bending the light to a maze, a timeless drift where everything feels like a memory the heart reveals. Weightless thoughts on waves that gleam, flowing through an endless stream. A gentler pulse that guides the way through twilight's hands where shadows stay. Breath of life and hue so kind, melting edges of saw you flow through the moonlit haze. Your shadow danced in the evening's gaze. The world stood still as you walked on air, a fleeting dream too soft to share. Your voice like whispers through golden sand, a melody I'll never understand. The stars they weep, their light they send, guiding me closer to the place you ascend. Oh, ethereal embrace, hold me in your glow, like a river of time where the calm winds flow, a celestial carried away in the Birds hum low, the choirs bloom. A warm tide rises to soothe the gloom. Stepping through a dream where echoes play, the weight of silence gently fades away. And in those distant angelic choirs, I hear the spark of celestial fires. They guide me home through velvet skies, where love is bright and never dies. Oh, ethereal embrace, hold me in your glow, like a river of time where the calm winds flow. A celestial hymn that's carried away in the arms of night. I long to stay. Whispers like waves in the endless glow. Sky bends softly where the stars won't go. Drifting shadows hum a quiet song, guiding me to where I do belong. The wind carries secrets I can't chase, threads of light in a boundless space. Footsteps vanish in the cosmic sand, reaching out for an invisible hand. Dreaming in echoes that sing to the night, a tender glow wrapped in silver flight. Lost in the silence where hearts sound, they ebb and they flow. A whisper of light where shadows won't go. Golden skies stretch in serene display. A dream's endless path guides the way. Distant bells chime in the still of the air. Echoes unfold in a melody rare. Clouds drift apart with a gentle embrace. Tranquility thrives in this timeless space. Holds the stillness that time can't shatter. A canvas where no edges matter. Threads of warmth weave through the night. Anchored so soft yet takes to flight. Sits hum like the breath of the trees. A reverie held by the wandering breeze. Angelic whispers glide from afar, guiding the heart like a northern star. Shimmering tones like dawn's gentle rain. Healing whispers released from the pain. Each note carries a touch of grace, building a world no haste can erase. Rest in the glow as the chords exhale. Weightless as though the earth might pale. No start, no end in this boundless expanse. In delicate folds, let the spirit dance. The sky whispers secrets soft and low. A golden hue where dreams still flow. Each note drifts like a passing cloud, a silent whisper not too loud. We float in streams of endless light, fading shapes dissolve in flight. A gentle hum, the world unwinds. A rhythm calm, the heart aligns. Footsteps vanish on the shore.